Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we just did an auto upgrade on a Ultra, Harley Davidson Ultra. It's the one that comes with the lowers. It came with speakers in the fairing, speakers in the lowers, and speakers in the tour pack. So the client had upgraded it to the Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford. Some people call it the Boom Audio, but it's not correct. Boom Audio is from 14 through 2020, or 14 through 2019, 2020. They renamed it and they stopped using Boom Audio amplifiers and started using the Rockford amplifiers. So it was called Harley Davidson Audio powered by Rockford, caused a ton of confusion, but 2020, 21, 22, they have the Harley Davidson Audio powered by Rockford. On the new body style bikes, it is the Harley Davidson Audio powered by Rockford. So on this bike, customers spent thousands of dollars, got the audio upgraded through the dealer, and just didn't get the sound that he wanted. The bike's got loud pipes on it, just couldn't really hear it on the highway. What made this more complicated is the bike has liquid cooled lowers. In the liquid cooled lowers, what Harley does to make the radiators accessible, they have the lower fairing with the pockets, and the speaker is a 5¼ inch really thin pancake speaker and actually clips in place. They do this so that you can easily service your radiators without any tools. You can literally just pop them out, but it's good for serviceability, not good for sound. I'll show you later on in the video. The speakers are literally this thin and they're 5¼ because that's the only thing that fits in that little pocket. So when we upgrade these, obviously we do the conversion that converts the liquid cooled lower housing to a 6½, so we can use a much larger speaker, which is a much bigger magnet, which obviously makes the speaker a lot louder. Then since he got the official grills for the Harley Davidson Audio powered by Rockford, the grills mount in from the back, but then they have, it's not like the standard grill, it comes with a flange, and then you can't really put a 6½ inch speaker behind it because the cone of the speaker ends up hitting the flange. It's really complicated. So to do these, you have to change the speaker grill, which is, it's a shame because these front fairing grills for the batwing fairing on the 2020, 21, and 22s are really good looking grills in my opinion. I like the silver trim with the Harley logo, but these grills don't hold on with just the regular 3 screws. It's like an adapter to an adapter. So when you put an aftermarket speaker, it actually hits the cone of the speaker. So at first, Vass was helping with this. We were trying to trim the opening so we could retain the factory grills, but it just wasn't working. No matter what we did, it hit the speaker. So we went ahead and replaced them with the metal Cicada grills in the fairing. In the lowers, we did the same. We used the Cxx grills in the lowers. We used the Hogworks lower adapter. It's one of my favorite adapters. It comes gloss instead of flat black, and it's a 1-piece instead of a 2-piece, so it looks better. The tour pack pods, we also did the Cxx Cicada with the matching CBL style grills. Fit and finish came out awesome. We removed the factory Harley Davidson amps from the saddlebags and all the wiring associated with it, so it frees up a ton of room in the saddlebags. Once you remove those harnesses, remove the amps. So there was an amp in each saddlebag. We removed both of those, ended up going with one powerful amp in the fairing. We did the Cicada FLX 1400.4P with the built-in DSP processor. So that gave us more than enough power. It was way louder than the factory, had more mid-bass, and saved up saddlebag space because now there's no amplifiers in the saddlebag. There's a single amplifier in the fairing. Fit and finish was awesome. Check it out. I'll show you the entire process.
You.